This was the first time I had ever used a wiki. Our group's topic was social networking and the adult learner. We started writing on the wiki by narrowing down our topic or ideas, so each person would have a section on which to work. I added my ideas of social media as being a bridge and how project-based learning can be used with social media. We moved on to our next step, where I helped to create a basic outline for the literature review. Each of us began to flesh out the outline, and I added a small summary for my part, collaboration, deeper learning approaches. In my research, I found 4 subtopics that I would use and later rename: higher order learning, integrative learning, reflective learning, and outcomes, in order to begin writing this section, in addition to my references I was planning to use. Working on the wiki definitely contributed to my learning and knowledge development. It helped me see at a glance how each small part would work together to complete a whole product. The way in which the wiki is set up allowed me to see the different parts that we were each contributing, from the introduction and key terms to the reference page. I continued to work on the wiki with my group by working on my 4 subtopics. As I worked on my part, I saw what my teammates had come up with. It took a combination of teamwork and good communication skills in order to create a cohesive product. Working on the wiki contributed greatly to my attitude toward the subject matter. I understood the subject matter better by the way we worked on it individually but posted to the wiki collectively. I was seeing different aspects of it that I hadn't researched before, as we had a total of 4 people working on the literature review. Working on the wiki also contributed greatly to my sense of reciprocity and cooperation among students in my class. When I started the education technology program, I was very hesitant to work in a group. I was so used to doing all of my assignments and projects on my own. After the first couple of collaborations, I was more relaxed and realized that just as we expect our students to collaborate on projects, we as instructors should be at ease and skilled at collaborative projects among ourselves. The last time I used the wiki was completing my portion that would be in the actual literature review. Each of us had a page on which to write our own part. I initially wrote mine in Word, then copy and pasted it into the wiki as I had finished a section of it. Using the wiki enabled me to see how the other members of the team completed their portion. We have 4 different styles of writing, 4 different personalities, but one common goal in creating the literature review. Working on the wiki contributed to my ability to perform in my future career. I'm sure that as far as skill development goes, wikis will be something that will be utilized in my career in educational technology and online instruction. Working skillfully in a team is a requirement these days in business, whether or not one is in the education field. The wiki itself is an excellent tool. Your team can brainstorm with a few ideas, build on it, create an outline, and develop a paper all on one site, whether or not you are working in the same school or across the country or across the world.